today's topic is how to use search in Telegram. Let us go to the Telegram. So this is my Telegram application. So in this, in order to use search, you click the top right corner circle button or search button is there. So in this you can able to search the public groups or public names. I am searching for a public group or a public channel. So I want to subscribe to Telegram public channel. So for example, Times of India. Just type it. So whatever names that you want. Okay, click search again. So see here, you could find Times of India. So many groups are there. Okay. So let us find Times of India. 2604 subscribers. Similarly, so many subscribers are there. Okay. Just scroll it down. Okay. Now click this. The best channel for you with the best administrator you need. Okay, channel photo change. Times of India. Click join. Okay. Now you have joined the public channel. Okay. Then one more, let me search it. The Hindu. Search, click search. So many channels are there. So in this, let me check. Let me Hindu Zone Official. Click on to the top. Only Hindi. Okay, no need to join. Go to next, the Hindu Zone. The Hindu Indian Express. So okay, the Hindu Zone. Okay, this channel has been inactive for long. Okay, and this one. It's mostly of Hindi channel. So let us avoid it. And let me search for some other videos. World, 18,000 subscribers. Okay. So let me click to that. Okay. Great. This is good. Click join. We have joined this channel. Then let me search for some BBC. BBC World. This is BBC News, 12.8k subscribers. So this is a Telegram channels. Okay. So many people have created the channel, just like YouTube channel. Telegram channel they have created. Now click join. So I have joined this channel. Okay. You go there. This. Okay. So this is the process how to use search in Telegram. Okay. So thank you friends.